Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm here doing another unboxing of a Seagate IronWolf in 8TB, and the reason I'm doing yet again another unboxing is because again I've got a different box and it says on here, you can see what it says, well, you might not be able to read it, but anyway, it's got all the details, and it does say new, but this looks like a very odd sticker to put on something. Also, this sticky tape that's on here doesn't sort of indicate to me that it's new, but anyway, we'll see if it's different from the others. So we'll just, we won't take long to do this. I'll update in the comments if I find anything a bit odd as well. Anyway. Okay, yeah, so this is completely different to normal. You can see my other unboxings. And yeah, they don't come like this. So the box is different. It's wrapped different. It's very odd wrapping to me. Yeah, this is no way that comes from the factory like that. Anyway, I'll move that out of the way. We'll continue to open this up. You can see somebody's put it in this package. I don't know who's done that, but anyway. Okay, so no disc rescue, no warranty card, no nothing, just the plain drive, although the packet on the drive is not opened. So maybe it's one that somebody returned, maybe the original box got damaged or something. There was no discount on this through Amazon or anything, so yeah, I can't really tell you why it's like that. Probably I don't have time to play games. If the disc's okay, I'll probably just go ahead and use it. But for people who are not familiar or whatever, you look at my other unboxings and you'll see the way it should come. So that's definitely different. So I'm going to, when I shut this off in a second, I'm going to re-record something with my phone that's much smaller, just so that I can show how it came. And I've got this original opening if I need it, if they want to argue. But yeah, probably, like I said, for me, I don't have the time at this stage, so I'm probably going to use it like that. But I'd probably be sending it back otherwise if I wasn't in a hurry. But yeah, anyway, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.